Today, I'll show you a simple trick. Just spend a few bucks on a plastic bucket, and you can enjoy pure, natural, wild honeycomb honey. One bucket can yield up to 10 kilos of honey. Watch this video to learn more. I'm not going to tell just anyone how to do this because it's that amazing. All you need is a plastic bucket, which you can easily buy from the market. Make a small hole in it to let the bees in and out. Or if you have any jars or cans at home, you can use those too. No extra cost. Next, get some beeswax, which comes from honeybee skin. After melting it with water, it hardens quickly. Heat it and coat the mouth of the bucket with it. Bees are attracted to this smell, and when they catch a whiff, they'll find a perfect spot to build their nest. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some bees flying nearby might catch the scent and come over to check it out. If they find it a good place to live, they'll move in with their whole colony. Look at all this wild honey. The red color you see is pollen. Recently, lotuses have been in bloom. And even though they don't produce honey, their pollen is great for bees. And the smell? Incredible. This is truly pure, natural, wild honeycomb. Look at the honey mixed with pollen. Some parts have more pollen, others are pure honey. See the red bits in the middle? That's bee pollen. And wow, look at this honey board. We've harvested a lot today, about 7 boxes in total. We kept half for ourselves, and there are still some left for the bees to eat. All right, that's all for now. Make sure to follow for more tips.